When we talk about humanoid robots, concepts like locomotion seem obvious. However, this wasn't always the case. In fact, it took years of research to come up with the steady motion that some of today's robots execute. Roboticist Mark Reibert's research at the Leg Laboratory that he established in 1980 was very crucial in the development of moving robots. The hopper, in particular, was a pivotal point in the history of robotic locomotion. At that time, statically balanced legged robots could, at best, shuffle. The hopper, on the other hand, could hop on its one leg, as the name suggests. Of course, this kind of motion by itself would be pointless, but in the historical context, it paved the way for other forms of robotic locomotion, such as biped or quadruped running. Reibert has dedicated his entire life to this field of study, continuing it through his college and doctoral degree, to the Leg Lab, to his company Boston Dynamics. The company has created several different robots using this research. Reibert truly expanded the scope of research in locomotion. It is interesting to observe that machines can do tasks such as calculations in a fraction of a second, something that a human would find impossible. Yet other tasks such as identifying objects and, of course, walking, which a child can do easily, are difficult to achieve with robots.